Namaskar friends, welcome to my channel Art World and Team. In today's video, I will show you how to make beautiful face mask from leftover clothes. In our daily life, we wear ready-made house gowns and kurtis. Length of ready-made clothes sometimes does not adjust with our height. That's why we have to cut the excess part from beneath. This is pure cotton cloth house gown which is very comfortable for our skin. I'm getting 5 inch extra from my height. So let's cut this extra portion now. Look, we got so much of clothes. From this we can get 4 double layered masks.
Cut 9-inch length from the cloth. Measure 2.5 inch on both sides in the middle. Cut it in this pattern. Stitch one side completely. From middle to lower side, fold little part of the cloth and stitch as shown. Do the same on the other side as well. Then stitch the lower part completely. Now slowly turn the cloth by taking it out from the non-stitched area. Open it completely and stitch the leftover part. Now iron the mask properly. Fold both sides and stitch, leaving space for the elastic lace to put in. Insert the elastic lace using a safety pin. Tie a knot on the end. In the same way, put another lace on the other side. Finally, a beautiful, customized, comfortable homemade mask is ready. You can make masks of various colors and designs and wear it with matching clothes. Now go and make your own mask. Stay safe and stay healthy. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more creative videos.